Hello everyone, we are Group 5 in CE14 Lab B2. We are conducting an experiment on designing and making of concrete beam sample with slump test. I am Khadija B. Mitmov.
I am Muhammad Ali K. Ibrahim.
I am Ana Zainab Akraman Basman.
I am Mariana Rizal Espinilla.
For the mold measurements, obtain the height, width, and length of the beam mold to calculate for its volume using a tape measure. Solve for the required measurements for the mixture where it must have a ratio of 1:1.5:2 respectively and half the cement amount for water. For the mixture preparation, weigh the empty basins used to collect the mixtures. Obtain the calculated measurements for cement, sand, coarse aggregate, and water. Weigh them accurately according to its measurement. After, pour them into the mixing pan and mix them together. Create a hole in the middle of the mixture and slowly add the water until the required consistency is achieved. Mix it well. For the slump test process, place the slump cone on the mixing pan, ensuring that it is standing flat. Hold the cone firmly in place and fill 1/3 of its volume with the mixture. Using the tamping rod, rod the mixture 25 times uniformly across the layer. Repeat these steps until the cone has been completely filled. Make sure that there are no excess mixture on the topmost layer by striking it off with a trowel. Continue to hold the mold down firmly and remove any excess concrete around the base of the cone. Remove the cone immediately by raising it in a vertical direction by 12 inches. Put the slump cone beside the displaced mixture and use the tape measure and the tamping rod to measure the slump by determining the vertical difference between the top of the cone and the displaced center of the mixture. The slump must be more than 1/2 inch and less than 9 inch for the mixture to pass the slump test. If it didn't pass, a repetition of the process is recommended. For the concrete beam molding, brush the mold with oil. Proceed to transferring the mixture into the beam mold by filling 1/3 of its volume and rodding it 25 times across the layer. Repeat this until the mold has been completely filled. Use the trowel for any necessary filling of gaps or striking off excess mixture. Using the rod, write your section and group number. Place the mold in an adequate area for drying. After 48 hours, check the condition of the concrete beam. Using a mallet, disassemble the mold by hammering its sides. Transfer the concrete beam into the curing tank.